And now we're here, in the Quinjet again.
Alright, first up. No way I'm gonna be any help fixing up the Chimera without my own upgrade. Jarvis, what do you got for me?
AIM is moving an experimental dropship, which could be appropriated for parts to repair the fabrication machine. Unfortunately, it's extremely well guarded.
But AIM's local defenses are designed around a large-scale aerosol. If I fly in alone, using the canyon for cover, I should be able to slip through and jack the dropship.
It's risky, but I don't see an alternative at this point.
Yes. Tastes perfect. And I could use this awesome suit.
I'll upload the dropship's last known location to your HUD. The canyon walls prevent me from fully confirming the intel. I suggest you work quickly.
Well, I'm not exactly rocking a state-of-the-art suit, but it should get me there in one piece. 2, max.
We need to move fast. Updating your HUD. AIM appears aware of our intrusion.
How about we call this a surprise visit? Intrusion makes it sound like we're the bad guys.
Noted, sir. Acquisition trip it is. I'm not sure how long our quarry will remain at its location.
I hear you. We should hurry. How much firepower does he have down here?
Rather a lot, it would seem.
And how much would go with techniques from Stark Industries after 8
It's impossible to say at this stage. Possibly rather a lot. Karma is not The metaphorical clock is ticking, sir.
I know, right?
Oh, I'm
Get the
going
Chimera
on
airport
clock.
before AIM finds her, and I need a proper suit.
I know how to barrel roll.
You know, I wouldn't be scrounging for parts if Bruce had backed me up 5 years ago.
Ow!
Water under the bridge, sir.
Yeah, crappy water under... The suit's doing great.
Isn't calling it a suit rather generous?
Ah, that's funny.
Ow.
The AI sassy, I said.
Ah, much better.
That elevator goes to the landing pad we need.
Gotcha. Look at all this. Which nation state is AIM planning to go to war with?
Those munitions also appear similar to your design.
Think the guy's going to want to blow them up?
Access the elevator.
I think that'll work. That is awesome. Explosion. I wonder if that works on the bad guys. The elevator we go! You failed, do it. There we go.
Let's get the dropship and get gone, before AIM brings the big guns. Literally.
I quite agree, sir. It's safe to say Dr. Tarleton would relish the chance to dance on your grave.
Thanks, Jarvis. Now I'm stuck with a mental image of George doing the robot on my headstone.
Apologies, sir.
There. No, wait. Okay, there we go.
If I'm correct, the dropship should be just up ahead.
Well, this place looks homey.
Now, Jax. No. Oh, I love that suit. Looks so cool. Here we go. Whee! Ah, yes. Now this is cool shit.
Won't last forever. This suit's all I've got left after George burned Golden Acres to the ground. I'm not losing it. Gloves are making weird noises.
Unsurprising. You just lost an acoustic dampening circuit.
Ah, right.
Keep going, sir.
Jarvis, this is my shot to make up for A-Day, help the kid, and, if I'm honest, stick it to Georgie boy. You're damn right I'll keep going.
Stick it all to Georgie boy.
Watch out. Their artillery's targeting you.
This is so cool.
Incoming.
On it!
The dropship shielded.
Use all the juice left in the suit to get an EMP burst ready for me to trigger.
L1.
Made it. Jarvis.
Yes, sir. I've scanned the dropship and it contains the needed parts to repair the Chimera's fabrication machine.
Excellent. Let's check in on the kids and head home.
Mark III experimental repulsor. Ooh.
Bruce, Kamala, breathing?
Loud and clear.
Here.
Bruce is in the harm room pretending to be,
I don't even want to know.
So, any luck out there?
Success. We'll all be in new threads soon.
I'm gonna guess
Fabrication machine should
Thor.
be back online in no time.
Great. Can't wait to make Bruce a new pair of yoga pants.
Oh, come on, Tony. You couldn't have laughed at that. It's funny. Cool suit. I'm probably gonna use this one more than any other suit, actually. Well, for a while anyway. Depending on how the others look.
Gotta say, it's nice to be back in the saddle.
Yes, sir. You haven't missed a beat.
Ah, glad to see that flattery upgrade. Now, let's take a peek at our loot. Ah, we hit the jackpot, buddy. This is exactly what we need to fix the fabrication machine.
Glad to hear
Right.
it. Especially as your current suit is now, how would you put it? Kaput.
Hey, the job, right? I thought this tech looked familiar. These are all based on my designs.
Some are near exact.
They're sure taking advantage of the Stark tech acquisition. I was kind of hoping they just sit on the assets.
Cap's armor. Oh, Kamala's shirt.
near the earthquake's epicenter, reported
Yeah.
no injuries or property damage. They dismissed persistent online reports that they were testing experimental explosives as baseless conspiracy theories.
Yeah, sure. Kamala! You being a dork again? Well, just clean up a little bit. That's cool. Come on, Tony, let's go.
Sir, in case you were wondering, your old room is still intact.
Tony!
This place is a mess.
Just as you left it.
You know, when I was living on the ranch, it took me years to stop asking you out loud for things. Jarvis started the coffee pot. Jarvis emptied the sewage tank. Jarvis, where are my socks?
I'm pleased to see that you survived without me, sir.
Ah, it's good to be back.
That's funny.
Jarvis, any chance you can read all these memos for me? Oh, don't pull that regularly scheduled maintenance crap. I know you can hear me.
Bathroom. I love this. Ooh. Guitar!
Sure glad I kept a spare here.
Oh, come on, I can't play the big fancy guitar. Fine. Let's go. Hello, where'd everybody go? Oh, hey Bruce. Come on,
How do I look, kid? Presentable? No. Charming?
You cleaned up nice. Smell a lot better, too.
Ouch. I was hoping for a better first impression.
Oh, no, it was pretty good. You earned a lot of points with that scrappy suit stunt.
Still can't believe they found this thing. Miss you, buddy. Wait, you liked me the first time we met? What does it take to get on your bad side?
Well, Charlton and Monica tried to kidnap me. Hulk chased me through the Chimera, and... Oh, Bruce took my blood while I was unconscious.
Okay, important life lesson. Write this down. Hang out with people who have low expectations.
Very funny, you two.
Let's see where. Oh, hey. More stuff. Various activities, award patterns. Patterns can be deciphered by the fabrication machine aboard the helicarrier and used to fabricate outfits which change the appearance of heroes. Hell yeah, baby! Don't mind if I do! If I do. Iconic. That's okay, guys. Tony is back, baby!
Right. That is more like it. Don't it look amazing, Jarvis? Take my picture.
Well done, sir.
Oh hell yeah, Hulkbuster unlocked a baby. It's awesome. Yeah,
I'm feeling like my old self.
Along with the fabrication machine, I've managed to route power to various other areas, including the inventory vault. I'm detecting some old equipment in your vault, sir. Should I incinerate it?
What? No. That's not trash, Jarvis. It's my stuff. I'll go take a look.
As you wish.
Go take a look at Tony's vault. Can I talk to Kamala now? About how you like the suit? No? Alright. Talk to this weirdo.
Fine. Thanks for helping to fix things up, Tony.
See? That wasn't so hard, was it? The big guy's looking a little peaked. Something going on with him?
It's complicated.
I can whistle and do multivariable integrals in my head at the same time, man. Try me.
Long story short, Cap's death really affected Hulk.
Wait, are you saying the big guy is depressed?
Unstable, confused, not as focused.
Okay, let's keep an eye on that situation.
Huh. Who'd have thought Hulk could be sad over Cap's death? Guess it makes sense though. Come on. Oh. And here? Yes. Inventory storage. Up to 300 items can be held in your inventory locker at one time. Damn!
See? Not trash.
Indeed. I'm sure you'll use this to store many more treasures. Sir, representatives from our friends at S.H.I.E.L.D. are now aboard the Chimera. Agent Morales is in the command nest. She may be able to help with the parts needed for the ship.
Great. Look forward to meeting her.
Ooh, what's this?
Yeah, no. Not ready to crack open that project yet.
Huh? Alright. Let's see.
Hey, Avenger. I got a job for you.
Hey there. I was told S.H.I.E.L.D. was in the house.
I'm Agent Alessandra Morales. I'll be your point of contact for S.H.I.E.L.D. day to day. If you ever have any spare cycles, come see me. There's plenty that needs doing.
Very nice to meet you, Morales. I need to find some parts to get this old girl in the air. Maybe I can kill two birds with one stone? Help out my old S.H.I.E.L.D. pals while I'm at it?
Here's the info we have. Hopefully it's enough.
Faction assignments. Faction assignments are tasks that earn faction experience. Earn enough faction experience can increase faction rank, which grants rewards and unlocks access to higher tier gear at faction vendors. Alright. Range abilities.
I knew we
Easy.
could count on you.
Rescue 3 allies.
Excellent.
Probably. Complete any war zone.
Thank
Easy.
you.
Defeat enemies using melee attacks.
You'll help?
Probably not.
Seriously? This is really going to make a difference.
Oh!
Good work. Keep this up and I might start sleeping again.
Sir, a new S.H.I.E.L.D. representative has joined us and is now stationed in the Commons area.
Oh. Fury used to yell at us from up here. Gotta miss that guy.
What's her name? Chastity. Alright. Memo Chastity.
Hello, Avenger.
I see
Ready for
cap
the new
gear in
view?
the back. Oh, hell
Think
yeah.
of me as your second closet.
Special items, huh? Alright. I want to view it! I don't got enough. Plop. Big depresso man. I used to have hover. Or no, it was hero landing that I had on the other one. On the beta. Alright. I can't go back. Okay. There.
Not gonna fund my coffee habit? Really?
Hey, I don't got
Agent
anything, I'm
V
sorry.
is on the hangar deck. If you have a moment, he can likely assist in further upgrades of your equipment.
Who? Oh. Wait, what? hangar. Can I fly around here, please? I'm just kidding, this is fine. Whoop-de-fucking-do! Oh, he was up there, but you know what? Chest. So worth it. Boop. Hell yeah. Oh, he's over here, never mind. Hello, strange person. How are you today? Hello, hello. Hello.
Over here.
Faction rank. Earning faction experience increases faction rank. Higher rank unlocks the ability to purchase better gear from faction vendors, complete assignments, missions, and mission chains for a faction to increase faction rank. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, big levels. Well, not big levels yet, but you know, they're decent levels. Alright. Nah, I'll leave it all for now.
Nothing this time?
Yeah, nothing city, baby.
So my heat signatures scans have detected 2 potential sources of initiator cores.
Oh,
Potential.
cool.
Why potential?
Unfortunately, due to AIM security systems, determining the actual source of the heat signatures at this range is impossible.
Another word I don't like. Okay, then we double our chances. Bruce, Kamala, meet me at the war table.
We're on our way.
Alright, no. Boop, 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 walking. Well, that was embarrassing. Okay, yeah, I'll see this episode here. Yeah, we'll just drop it here, and then we will continue on the next episode. Bye bye.